It's actually 31st of November and it's Halloween, and I'm sitting in a Christmas hat, and behind me is Christmas tree. So, yeah, do with this information what you want. Ho ho ho, and welcome back, our precious viewers. So, today I have a very special painting session because today I'm not painting a minifigure actually. I'm painting a Christmas tree bauble, a Baby Yoda in his pod. Look at him, he is cute. I'm very happy that I have a chance to paint it. So, nevertheless, let us start. So, here is our beautiful bauble. And actually I didn't know how to start, because there are a lot of references of Grogu's pod. Still I started with a mix of equal parts of Arctic white and neutral grey. And guys, I tell you, I was painting for almost 8 hours straight, but felt no exhaustion. I was so fascinated painting it because, come on, it's a custom bubble, isn't it cool? I also pre-painted the inside of the pod, but is this necessary? I don't think so. Base color done, and highlighted with a lighter grey color using dry brush. And this step is done. Now time for shadows, and I chose a black wash but mixed it with white grey mix. Just painting thin lines where the shadows should be. Now let's paint the metal parts with lead belcher. Those circles were also painted but without the inner part. This would be half white, half orange. And metal parts are done. Now darkening with black wash. And after drying, highlighting with silver. Done. Now I started choosing. Do I want the pod in a whiter color with a drawn blue snowflake, or a more original look? And I chose to make it a darker color. So I took neutral grey paint and dry brushed it over the lighter color. Don't do such things, it's bad behavior, but it actually turned out not so bad. I like it now more than before. Now painting the white parts with just Arctic white, like those buttons and inner circles as I mentioned before. And just a little white orange to split those circles. and with the help of a sponge and lead boucher, I added weathering to the pod, and with a brush I created some scratches. Now let's paint the pillows inside the pod and then Grogu's robe, starting with a mix of buff and Rhinox hide. Here are our mixes, and it was hard to film, so yeah, not good frames. Base coat on pillows done. And the highlight is also done. Now for the robe I will darken that base color with Rhinox hide and started painting. I thought it would be hard, but no, it was much easier than I expected. Base coat done. Now a mix of equal parts of skeleton bone and Rhinox hide. Now the second highlight is this lighter mix, 2 parts of skeleton bone. Second highlight done. Now the third highlight with 1 part buff added to the previous mix. And now just equal parts of buff and the previous mix. The robe is almost done, but let's add shadows, and those I made just with the glaze of the base color. Now let's move to skin, head and candy cane. Base color for skin will be Dashguard green. Hands are also painted green, but nails will be painted later with Rhinox hide. And base color done. While the figure is drying, I wanted to paint the hanger with light orange to bring more colors and contrast. After drying, let's highlight our baby using green camo. That's our figure after highlighting. Looks not bad. Now let's mix green camo with ivory and light a dry brush on raised parts. On hands, just making small dots on raised parts. And here we are before the next highlight. And this highlight is a mix of 2 parts ivory and 1 part green camo. With that mix, I just make small dots on the most raised parts like the nose, cheeks and fingers. Skin is done and I like it, only the eyes left to bring Grogu to life. And the eyes will be painted just in pure black and glazed with gloss varnish. Also, I made a glaze of very light pink to paint the inner parts of the ears, as I saw in some references. And here it is fully painted. Now the cane and head are left. For the base color of both, I chose dragon red paint. After drying, let's highlight them with pure red paint. After that, I painted white stripes around the candy cane to make it more realistic candy cane. And done! And as I told you, nails covered with rhinox hide. I just thought that the pink glaze was not enough, so I made another quick edition of it. And now our bauble is fully painted, and I love it. Beautiful bauble, and a nice experience comes with it. And look, it's even beautiful. Well, I think it's beautiful. Still, thank you viewers for being with me through this session. And I know that it is quite early or you watching in another time, but still, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you.